If you're trading commodity straddles, placing the first trade is usually the easy part. The harder part is managing it, especially rolling straddles, where you have to keep adjusting positions throughout the day. With the commodity markets open till midnight, constantly tracking P&L and making those adjustments can get very tiring. Instead of watching the screen all day, what if you could automate the entire process? Today I'm going to show you another example of how Automate can be used, but this time for commodities. We'll create the workflow in 3 parts. First, place the ATM straddle. Second, set readjustment rules for automatic re-entries. And third, track combined P&L with target and max loss. Let's begin. Open Automate and create a new workflow. We'll schedule it to run 2nd of every month. First, let's place the short straddle where we'll sell at the money call and put. For that, open a place order block. Select the symbol and set the strike at the money call. Define a stop loss of 25% in the same block. Now add one more place order block beside it. We'll repeat the same process, but here we'll select sell at the money put. Now your straddle entry is set up where both legs will be placed together. Next, we'll handle the rolling part. When the stop loss hits on either leg, we want to exit both positions and re-enter the at the money straddle again. So we'll add a square off block to close both legs, and right after that, add the same 2 place orders of at the money straddle with stop loss. So whenever a stop loss hits, Automate exits the old straddle and re-enters a fresh at the money straddle based on the current price. Now, let's add the combined P&L limits for the whole workflow. We'll start by adding an OR condition. Inside it, add 2 portfolio check blocks to monitor the whole workflow P&L. One will be for the target for 10,000. The second will be for the max loss, say minus 5,000. Finally, we'll add a stop automation with square off enabled and connect it to the OR block. This ensures that whenever the target or max stop loss hits, the entire workflow stops and all your open positions are closed. Once all blocks are connected, click Start, name the workflow, and you're done. You can track everything from the dashboard, including when the stop loss hits, when the exits happened, and when the new ATM straddles were placed. Hope this helped. This is not a strategy recommendation. It is merely an example to show you how automations can be used. Tell us if you want more such examples. Happy trading.
Investment in securities market are subject to market risk. Read all the related documents carefully before investing.